This is Johann, a mechanical engineer here at CNC Labs, and today we'd like to show you a Versace Medallion relief we cut out of 6061 aluminum. For some background, this project began as a side hustle for the engineering team after we got a bit bored testing feeds and speeds. But it's since turned into one of my favorite projects and a bit of a showcase for the LongMill MK2. One thing that you may find interesting was the amount of roughing we had to do in preparation of the finishing pass. Here you see our 1/4" single flute end mill making some very decently sized cuts. And it's a bit hard to see, but we ultimately use 4 tools to take the model down to within 5 thou of final dimensions before we run finishing, which will be kind of nuts if you're working with wood instead of aluminum. The finishing pass is also quite interesting, as we had to use upmilling exclusively to prevent chip weld and to improve surface finish. This means only making passes from right to left when finishing from bottom to top. Again, quite rare if you're carving reliefs in wood instead. The keen eye among you may also spot some stair stepping in the final model. We're pretty sure that's from someone having bumped into the machine during the last roughing pass. But if we were to do it again, we'd probably run an additional finishing pass that's 2 thou deeper to clear that up, and maybe put up a few stop signs around the machine. The finished model is 100mm or around 4 inches in diameter and took 30 hours from start to finish. I'm really proud of the results and the process we developed carving it. But I'm also very much interested in your experience with carving exotic materials, so do share them in the comments below.